The Ultra 170 is designed with comfort in mind. Whether you're living full-time, working remotely, or just want a little bit of the extra creature comforts when you're in the backcountry, the Ultra 170 allows you to do it in style. The Ultra 170 package comes standard with a 2-person couch in the rear of the van. That can be upgraded to a fold-away seat if you need additional seating that's DOT approved. The van also comes complete with a shower sauna, and inside is a cassette toilet for easy use. The Ultra 170 is also completely equipped with all of your kitchen needs, including an induction cooktop, a large spacious sink and faucet, a marine drawer 130 cubic inch fridge and freezer, and a nearly king-size bed. Under the bed, there's tons of storage for all of your gear, no matter what your outdoor passions are. As with all of our models, the Ultra 170 is equipped with our Titan X3 electrical system. This system is the most technologically advanced on the market and is packed with tons of great features, is incredibly robust, and very user-friendly. The system comes standard with a 200 amp hour lithium-ion battery, a 2400 watt inverter, onboard solar. Depending on what roof options you choose, you'll either get a standard 330 watt solar panel, or we can swap those out for 2 100 watt panels if you're adding a roof rack or have additional roof carrying needs. On the water system side, the Ultra 170 comes standard with a 22-gallon freshwater tank, a 4-gallon marine electric water heater, and a 9-gallon gray water tank mounted underneath the vehicle. Also included in the Ultra 170 is a rear utility wash station with a pull-out hose, and of course the interior shower that is also fully plumbed with hot and cold water. For cooling and airflow, the Ultra 170 comes standard with 2 max air fans, one mounted in the rear and one in the front. But this is also upgradable if you want to add a 120 volt air conditioning system in the rear. It will replace the rear fan and give you cooling options in either hot or humid temperatures. For cabinetry, the Ultra 170 boasts spacious cabinetry and countertop space and makes it very ergonomical and comfortable to use if you plan to do a lot of cooking. On the passenger side, we have an extended slider door galley cabinet, which gives you an exterior fold-down table and has dual storage compartments that's accessible from both inside and outside the van. We also have a slide-out trash and recycling bins, which makes it very easy and convenient to make sure you keep the van nice and clean. There's additional storage on the passenger side with slide-out drawers, cubbies underneath the bed, and even additional storage on the water tank side where you can store some of your utility needs such as extension cords, hoses, leveling stands, or whatever else you carry. For lighting inside the van, we've integrated key lights in specific areas for easy use. Our overhead lighting has 3 switch locations, which allows you to both turn off and on the lights as well as dim them from both the dash from the passenger and driver seat, at the slider door when you initially enter, and up at the bed so you don't have to get out to turn those lights off and on. We also have under cabinet lighting on both of the driver side overhead cabinets. We have load lights underneath the bed, which help with easy loading and unloading your cargo and give you the visibility underneath and out the back doors. And we also have an exterior porch light mounted on the passenger side, which will give you great visibility while you're camping or just getting in and out of the vehicle. All of our vans are custom built-to-order vans, and we have lots of upgrade options possible for both the interior and the exterior. If you're looking for additional lighting on the front of the vehicle, look no further than the Storm Chaser package. The Storm Chaser adds dual Baja Design LP6 lights to the front of the van. We can do these either bumper mounted or in a floating mount style. These lights are phenomenal for winter driving, especially if you opt for the amber editions. They will give you nice low lighting that won't impact your visibility nearly as much as the headlights, and it'll create a safer driving experience if you get into extreme inclemental weather. If you need additional lighting off the side and the rear of the van, our perimeter lighting package is for you. The perimeter lighting adds Baja Design S2 Sport lights on both the passenger side, driver side, and the rear. Each set of lights, 2 on passenger, 2 on driver, and 2 on the rear, are controlled via a multi-switch kit mounted up in the dash. This will allow you, while you're off-road or on trail, to be able to illuminate off the sides of the vehicle, or if you're backing up and you need additional lighting, to have that added light off the rear. You can even use those rear lights as enhanced load lights off the rear of the vehicle when you're taking in and out your equipment. Another great option to consider is the awning package. During the summertime, you can fully deploy the awning out, and you can keep a ton of sun off the side of your vehicle, which will help to maintain cooler temperatures inside. Moving on to some of the interior options on this built-to-order van. This customer opted for our microwave package, which mounts in one of our overhead cabinets and replaces one of the doors with a small microwave. Now, whether you get the microwave or not, there's always an outlet mounted on the wall that can be used for a variety of appliances. The Ultra 170 can come with 2 different bed options. Standard on our Ultra 170 is the Murphy bed, but we also offer the bi-slide bed as an upgrade option. The bi-slide is our aluminum telescoping bed platform that compresses a king-size bed back quickly and easily. This allows you to free up a lot of interior living space if you don't plan on carrying large or taller equipment underneath the bed. The bi-slide bed can also be fully removed to clear up a lot of cargo room depending on your needs. Another one of our popular upgrades is our headliner shelf. This is available on all of our builds, and it mounts above the driver and passenger seat. It's an upholstered shelf that takes up some of that headroom and turns it into valuable storage area and gives you quick access to bags, jackets, or window shades. The slide-out tray is a plug-and-play component available on most of all of our builds. This unit integrates directly into the L-track in the floor and is easy to take in and out using the knobs and hardware provided. The tray slides out 60 inches out the back of the van and is 500-pound rated. The slide-out tray is a great option to make it much more comfortable when loading and unloading. For rear door carriers, we have several different configurations. The passenger rear door carrier with dual cargo box is great if you need additional cargo. Whether you want to carry fuel, wood, muddy boots, or even tools and recovery equipment, the cargo boxes give you a great and convenient way to store that gear outside the van and have quick and easy access to it as needed. If you plan to get up on top of your roof for additional cargo carrying, or if you just want a ladder to be able to get up to service some of the equipment that's on the top, the side mount ladder is a great option. It's the most ergonomical to use and has the lowest initial rung height, and it gives you a very comfortable way to get up and down off the side of your vehicle. With so many great features and upgrade options, it's no wonder that the Ultra 170 is one of our most popular builds. If you're interested in this model or others, check us out at titanvans.com. You can build and customize your own van directly on the website and get up-to-date pricing. Also, if you like this content and you want to see more vans like this, or even just get inspiration if you're doing your own van, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you on the road.